Hello. Hello, wait 2 more minutes, please. So, first, we need to discuss about our self-introduction. Then we can go for installation and all the part. Wait 1 more minute. Hello. 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 Tell me about yourself. Answer. Myself, Ganesh. Yeah, having 7+ years of total IT experience. Currently associated with IT software services, IT core services. My roles and responsibilities are: first one, installing installation manager, comma, vast product configurations, second one, installing the fix pack based on the client requirement. Okay, next, very much interesting to create the profiles and its cluster mechanism, that is vertical versus horizontal cluster. Fourth one, application deployment through GUI through or doubles admin scripts, etc. Fifth one, very much interesting to create the data sources in different environments. Different environments. Next, seventh one, implementation of SSL in various environments, that is dev, set, pre-prod. Some of the organizations integration, some of the organizations can use integration server, comma, production environments. Eighth one, resolving the data source related issues and its RCS and problem records, etc. Ninth one, I am following I am following the I am following the I am following the ITIL process, that is without a without breach, any SLAs My IT skills are first one, WebSphere application server, WebLogic, Apache Tomcat, AWS DevOps, GCP DevOps, Azure DevOps, and CyberArk and cyber security, cyber security, and .NET. This is my primary technology, and ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, ASP.NET MVC, AngularJS, AngularJS 1.0, 1.x, 2.x. This is my technologies. And 11th one, 11th one, very much interesting to create an scripts related issues, and new scripts will be creating based on the requirement, that is log rotation, or delete older logs more than 30 days, etc. This is myself. Okay, next question number two. Question number two. Okay, next, how would you explain to client which middleware tool is good for them and steps for installing IBM WebSphere application server? First one. Second one answer. The middleware tool is WebSphere is best because it's securely deploy an applications in the WebSphere platforms, that is designed by IBM IBM Corporation. Okay, so here installation steps for IBM WebSphere. They're asking question IBM WAS installation steps. Contact OS team for sufficient storage, comma, directory structure as follows: the industry, comma, necessary binary files we need to verify. each product have that 50 GB for VAS installations. Now copy or download binaries from IBM site by using wget and URL of binary file. Okay, like this. After that, unzip the files, unzip the VAS binary file. Later, we will find out the offering ID of the product comma by using the following commands dot slash imcl. First we need to installation manager by using the dot slash user install c command. After im installations, we need to install WebSphere products. You need to install WebSphere products dot slash imcl list available packages hyphen repositories slash opt under the VAS repository dot config. Assume the path. Okay. After that, we can com dot ibm dot websphere dot nd dot v85. This is the offering ID. It will represents offering ID as shown in the screen. Next step, next dot slash go to im path. Under that, Eclipse tools im underscore path includes slash opt ibm installation manager. This is the path to install installation manager dot slash imcl install offering ID of the product hyphen installation directory slash opt ibm WebSphere app server. This is the default path, but every organization have different paths are there. We need to confirm there. hyphen sp repositories opt. This is installation directory path. Second one, how to delete older than 30 days logs. Okay, answer. We have prepared the scripts for log rotation. Log rotation. I will show you in the screen. Here, this is my server. This is my private server. cd/opt IBM scripts vim log rotation.sh. See, this is the servers who can enable all the trace, all the mount point, all the for testing purpose. Okay. Now this is the log directory structures. In HTTP servers, log directory structure. More older than 30 days logs, we need to zip under this MNT mount point, and reduction days is 18 days. H2 cleanup is 30 days. Reduction days is 7 days. We can put or 18 days. Current to day to 18 days back, and we can mention as 7 days. And log file is this is the MNT log file. I will give you the demo. This is the answer explanation. This is app server, and this is clusters. This is node agents. This is server 2. This is app server 1 logs test. Already mentioned app server logs test. Okay, and the app server 2 node agent logs, and this is IHS log. This is plugin logs, and this is DMJAR logs. We can hard choose from the this directory. Retention days is 7 and 30 days. This is directory where we can give logs or rotation log file and create a directory, and date, time, everything is there. Okay, this is retention days. Third question. Fourth one, how to integrate app server with web server. Okay, now how to install fixed packs version 8.5.5.23 to 8.5.5.28 releases July 28th, 2025. Next update is February. Next update will be February 8/5/29, I think. Now download binary files from IBM Fix Central. IBM Fix Central. Later dot slash imcl install. We can go stop all servers. Stop all servers, including all DMGR, comma, app servers, comma, IHS, comma, plugins, etc. Now dot slash unzip the fixed pack binaries dot slash im go to im path and eclipse dot slash imcl install offering id already command is there, same command, but offering id will be fixed pack 28. I will give the data and unzip this. Okay, after that, now third question, how to integrate WebSphere with IHS. I install the IHS and plugins with respect to directories. IHS installation directory is equal to slash opt IBM HDP server plugins installation directory slash opt IBM plugins. This is the our directory structure. Okay, create unmanaged node, then we can create the web server by using unmanaged node only. Unmanaged node supports web servers, comma, generic servers, Okay, now plugin cfg.xml file is the most important in file for integration part, and http d.conf also most important file for IHS purpose. This is the integration. what and components inside plugins and how to remove vulnerability in the traces. Okay, plugin hyphen cfg.xml file consists of round robin algorithm and j session id clone id. I will show you in the practically cd /opt ibm websphere plugins config HTTP server. Under that vim plugins cfg.xml. This is round robin algorithm. Okay, round robin algorithm. J session IDs, clone IDs, J session ID, clone ID also is there. Okay, J session ID, clone IDs, and a cluster members, etc. Clone IDs, virtual host, port numbers, virtual host, port numbers, comma, and servers, and etc. Many more, and use log level is error in plugins IHS log level is warn. Okay, we can use we can trace 8 for troubleshooting purpose. Troubleshooting purpose. How to Apache HTTPD communicates with app server by using mod JKS mod proxy server. It will route the server into application server, comma SSL and SSL and etc. different modules, and in HTTP d.conf file we will includes the mod jks comma mod underscore proxy server comma ssl.conf. We can include, okay, in the file we can include all those properties. Okay, more properties and 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 TLS versions also we need to use comma ciphers based on the versions. This is the most important step in Apache Tomcat. And a rewrite engine also is there. Rewrite engine also is there. Rewrite engine means direct to redirect the particular directory structure to redirect the particular directory or folders. Folders failover and DR process in your environment. In our environment. Now DC and DR redirect the traffic from DC to DR servers. Firstly, we need to set up DR servers as per DC environment. DC means data center environment, and we will test intranet servers. We will test internally intranet. Then we will go for DCDR activity. This is very crucial activity in the WebSphere application servers and middleware components in Apache Tomcat or DCDR activity in AWS and DevOps and containers. Everything is same process we will deliver in the structures. So here, first stop all servers and put maintenance page enable on all IHS servers, DC and DR servers. We will perform this activity in off business hours. Okay, off business hours. Off business hours first. Stop DB and then move to the DB DC to DR activity. Then 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 and DNS and then WebSphere servers also need to be start DR DR environment. Then contact DNS team to point out DC to DR and verify any issues are there, and use rsync also sometimes works before set up the DR environment. This will be done by AX or Linux team members. This is the steps for DCDR activity. Okay, and the sixth one, Okay, how to avoid CPU utilizations by using top command in Linux and AX using top S by using Java process IDs. We will find out the which one. Which process ID will takes more memory. We will analyze the server and etc. Analysis of dumps and etc. Create the IBM case and all etc. Start and stop Apache Tomcat. Systemctl stop HTTPD. Systemctl start HTTPD. This is the question and answer. Okay, I shown already. Okay, SCP command for copy the files from one to another machine. I will show you in the screen. I will enable my VMware. This is my VAS setup. Now login. login sudo. Okay, nmcli con up ens33 ip space a. Okay, this is my ip address. I will use scp command in locally. Okay, this is my server. Okay, cd/opt. See, I will copy my this file to my another server scp vas.tar.gz and vasadmin at the rate ip address colon/opt. If port is enabled or not, we can verify or use here. Okay, now I will show you SSH. This is my one local machine. One is local machine, another one is cloud machines. We can transfer a file from one machine to another machine. cd vas scp and vasadmin at the rate 160.250.146.164 as a slash opt. Connection is closed, not reachable. So that is the main reason. Otherwise, use ping 160.250.146.164. I log in only now. Yeah, network is unreachable. Okay, I log in already. But this is the command, okay? This is the command, scp command. It will works in the real time scenarios. Now, okay, like this. And troubleshooting SSL handshake issues. Okay, troubleshooting SSL handshake issues. Ninth one, in VAS SSL handshake occurs in certificate maybe expires or change certificate also, and TLS version mismatch, etc. So many reasons. Okay, that is the main reason. And root intermediate. How many certificates you can import? How many certificate will be import? How to import the certificate? Okay, I will show you in the real time how to import the certificate. HTTPS 160.250.146.164.9043 slash IBM slash console. Mhm. Steady. DM jar is stopped. Okay. CD space OPT. Oh, so okay. WebSphere IBM. WebSphere app server profiles under DM jar under the bin dot slash dot manager dot sh. Now go to security, SSL certificate and key management, and key store and certificates, default key stores, and go to personal certificates and import. Okay, like that we can use. Wait one more minute. Now go to import and how to change the TLS. Go to SSL certificate and key management and SSL configurations and cell default keys to SSL and quality of protections. This is change the TLS versions. Okay, and in putty and okay CD properties vim SSL dot client dot properties you can change TLS 1.2. Okay, like this you can use. Like this you can use. And 403 issues, 404 issues, and 403 issues means forbidden, need to verify the permissions or URLs, etc. Okay, this is the issues they're asking real time questions, and Docker also is there. This is the main issues. Docker can perform or not, no issues. Docker have own image is there. We can pull and push and create the containers and create the pods and Docker images or Docker ps-a we can use and create the pods and deployment wise we are using Jenkins pipeline, CI/CD pipeline using code build or code pipeline or etc or for build purpose use maven maven version 1.2 or 1.3 whatever it is and create an Kubernetes cluster and deploy the application under the cluster. Okay, like this you can use in the real time scenarios. This is the latest question they will ask in L1 and L2 and L3 questions. These are the most important questions. Okay, those who are watching WebSphere application server interview questions, please share to your friends and family members. Those who are learning WebSphere and DevOps and Docker and Jenkins pipeline and GCP DevOps and Azure DevOps, we will support all the things in the real time industries. Thanks for watching this. We can close.